Are you looking for a powerful yet affordable microcontroller for your next project? Meet the Raspberry Pi Pico, a game changer in embedded system and IoT. In this video, we will explore what makes the Pico and its RP2040 chip so unique, their feature and how you can use them for real-world application. Let's dive in. Unlike the full-size Raspberry Pi board that run Linux, the Raspberry Pi Pico is a microcontroller board. This means it does not run an operating system but instead execute your code directly, making it perfect for embedded application, IoT projects, and robotics. It's powered by RP2040, Raspberry Pi's very own custom microcontroller chip built for speed, efficiency, and versatility. So what makes the Pico stand out? Let's take a look at its key feature. First is the RP2040, which is the microcontroller custom made by the Raspberry Pi. It has dual-core ARM Cortex M0 Plus running at 133 MHz, 264 KB of RAM, large enough for complex application, 2 MB of flash memory for program storage, 26 general-purpose input-output pins for connecting sensors, display, and motors, multiple communication interface like I2C, SPI, UART, PWM, ADC, and even PIO. USB 1.1 supports for connecting peripherals, ultra-low power consumption, perfect for battery-powered projects. But which Raspberry Pi Pico should I use? The first one is the Raspberry Pi Pico, which is best for general purpose embedded system without wireless need. If you want the Wi-Fi connectivity, you can use the Raspberry Pi Pico W, which is ideal for IoT project. Finally, we have the Pico Edge, which is convenient for beginner with pre-soldered header pins. Now let's understand the main chip behind the Raspberry Pi Pico, which is the RP2040. It is a custom designed microcontroller chip which is used in the Pico and other third-party development boards. At the heart of the Raspberry Pi Pico is the RP2040 microcontroller. It is a dual-core ARM Cortex M0 Plus processor with low power consumption and high processing efficiency. What makes RP2040 special is its hardware feature like direct memory access for fast data transfer and a floating point unit for handling complex calculation efficiently. And here's something really cool. The programmable input-output system. This allows you to create custom peripherals, making it possible to output VGA video, control LED matrices, and even handle custom communication protocols. Where can you use the Raspberry Pi Pico? Let's look at some real-world application. In embedded system, automate your home with smart devices, IoT and wireless communication, where you can send sensor data over Wi-Fi using ESP8266, robotics and motor control to drive servo and stepper motors. In gaming and graphic, you can use the Pico to create retro games or a VGA output. Data logging and sensors, where you can monitor temperature, pressure, and motion. In education and learning, a great tool for beginner when he is learning programming. Now why select the Raspberry Pi Pico? Because it is affordable, beginner friendly, versatile, and it's powerful. It has the strong community support. Want to learn more? Check out this video for hands-on Raspberry Pi project. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.